Hi, first grade. Miss Kruger again. We're going to learn another pathways ending. This one is super tricky. Let's take a look at our board today. You probably already remember from yesterday what sound this makes. Good. Oh, so we had able, fable. This ending we're going to learn today is even trickier than ol. So I'm going to have you help me. Our word is gumption. Gumption means having the courage to do something that needs to be done. Let's count how many syllables are in gumption. Can you tap it out? Gumption. Two syllables. I'm going to draw my 2-syllable lines. All right, let's spell our first syllable. Can you remind me what it was? Gump. Good job. So I hear g. P. Gump. Let's think about our second syllable. Gump. Shun. Shun. What sounds do you hear in shun? Shh. I know that's S-H. Shh. Shun. Now that's what it sounds like. Mr. Screech wants us to know that when we hear sh-un at the end of a word, it's actually spelled really tricky. Are you ready for this? Let me show you how we spell shun. It's spelled T-I-O-N. That doesn't even look like shun, does it? So I want you to remember shun is T-I-O-N. Let's spell it in the air. T-I-O-N spells shun. Man, Mr. Screech, he got a tricky one. I bet that definitely made him pull all his hair out. Let's take a look and see if we can read some words with shun today. Let's take a look. Here are our words with shun. Let's take a look at just one side of our page. Here it is. T-I-O-N, shun. That's an instant syllable. When I see that, I know that's right where I divide my word, shun. Now, when we have shun, our vowel can wear its sound or its name hat. So let's take a look at our first word. Action. That's a word I know. So this one wore its sound hat. And I bet you guessed that because it's right at the top of our page. But when you see a word with shun in a book, you might have to try both. Let's take a look at our next word. Let's read our first syllable. Would we say k-ap-shun or k-ape-shun? Caption or caption? A caption. We learned about captions in our book. So caption wears a sound hat. Let's try the next one. Our first syllable says gump. Gump, shun. That's the word we spelled on our board. Let's try the next one. Would we say action, fraction? Or would we say action, fraction? We learned about fractions, didn't we? So our sound hat. Let's try our other side. We still have T-I-O-N. We know that says shun. We're going to divide those syllables right at that shun. All right, let's take a look at our first word. Would we say lotion, or ocean, lotion? Right. We're going to have to wear our name hat. Our next word, what do you think it says? Did you say nation or nation? Yes. Name hat, nation. Try your next one. Did you say station or station? A station, name hat. Our next word, would you say motion or motion? Motion, name hat. And our last one, potion or potion? Name hat again, right? Potion. Good job. Today, practice those shun words in your packet. Remember, T-I-O-N says shun. All right, see you tomorrow.